Here are some lesser-known facts about India. 1. Space innovations. India's Mars orbiter mission Mangalyaan made it the first country to reach Mars orbit on its first attempt, and it was also the least expensive mission to Mars. 2. Unique ecosystem. The Sundarbans in West Bengal is the largest mangrove forest in the world and is home to the Bengal tiger, which is specially adapted to this swampy environment. 3. Oldest known civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's earliest urban civilizations, was centered in what is now Pakistan and northwest India, with advanced urban planning and sophisticated craftwork. 4. Ancient plastic surgery. The ancient Indian text, Sushruta Samhita, written by Sushruta, is one of the earliest known texts on surgery, including techniques for plastic surgery. 5. Village democracy. In some villages, India practices a form of direct democracy where village councils Gram Sabhas have significant decision-making powers on local issues. 6. Tea origin. The concept of tea drinking originated in China, but India is one of the world's largest producers of tea, particularly in regions like Assam and Darjeeling. 7. Largest film industry. India has the largest film industry in the world in terms of the number of films produced annually. Bollywood, based in Mumbai, is just one part of a diverse film industry that includes many regional languages.